America has a fried chicken obsession. We consume over 9 billion chickens every year. That's roughly 27 chickens per person annually. It's the ultimate comfort food, the family dinner hero, and the one thing everyone can agree on. But not all chicken chains are created equal, and America can't agree on what makes perfect fried chicken. Whether it's the Southern buttermilk classics, Nashville's fiery heat, Louisiana's Cajun spice, or California's modern fast casual. Some craft crispy, juicy tenders with perfect seasoning that make you close your eyes and savor every bite. Others serve up dry, flavorless calories, leaving you questioning your life choices and wondering why you didn't just cook at home. So today we're ranking the signature fried chicken from America's 12 most famous chicken chains from absolute worst to best. So hit that like button, subscribe, and prepare to have your chicken preferences completely rearranged. Starting at the bottom, we've got Golden Chick, a Texas-based chain with about 230 locations across the South. Founded in 1967 in San Marcos, Texas, Golden Chick has been serving up fried chicken for over 50 years. Their chicken is decent when fresh, with a light, crispy coating and tender meat. The problem is that when fresh part, quality varies dramatically between locations and times of day. The seasoning is mild to the point of being bland, especially compared to spicier competitors like Popeyes or Dave's Hot Chicken. Golden Chick offers yeast rolls and catfish as menu extras, but those additions often feel like afterthoughts rather than standout items. For a chain that's been perfecting chicken for 5 decades, Golden Chick feels stuck in neutral, while the competition has shifted into high gear. Pollo Campero lands at number 11, bringing Central American flavors to about 100 U.S. locations. Founded in Guatemala in 1971, Pollo Campero offers a unique Latin-spiced approach to fried chicken. Their chicken is marinated for hours and cooked fresh daily, which creates tender, flavorful meat with a distinctive spice blend that sets it apart from typical American fried chicken. The problem is that very specific flavor profile, the Latin spices aren't for everyone, and the limited U.S. footprint means most people will never experience what Pollo Campero offers. The grilled options are healthier but less flavorful than the fried versions. Pollo Campero represents authentic international flavors in a market dominated by Southern-style chicken, but regional availability and acquired taste keep it near the bottom. We are as surprised as you are, but Church's Texas Chicken claims number 10. And this one's complicated because the potential is definitely there. Founded in 1952 in San Antonio by George W. Church Sr., Church's has about 1,500 locations worldwide. Church's competes primarily on price, offering affordable chicken that fills you up without breaking the bank. The honey butter biscuits are genuinely excellent, and the spicy tenders pack real heat when fresh. The problem is that the low prices come with trade-offs in chicken quality. The meat can be inconsistent, sometimes tender and juicy, other times dry or tough. The frying oil isn't always fresh, which can make the chicken taste greasy rather than crispy. The coating often lacks the seasoning depth of premium competitors. Church's serves a purpose in the market as budget-friendly fried chicken, and when you're feeding a family on a tight budget, it gets the job done. But if you're looking for premium chicken quality, you'll need to pay premium prices elsewhere. Church's proves that affordable chicken has its place, but the quality limitations keep it from competing with chains that prioritize ingredients over price points. Shake Shack's Chick Shack earns number 9 as premium fast food that delivers quality in a limited format. Founded in 2001 as a hot dog cart in Madison Square Park, Shake Shack expanded into chicken with their signature Chick Shack sandwich. The Chick Shack features hormone-free chicken breast with a crispy coating on their signature potato bun with lettuce, tomato, and Shack sauce. The chicken quality is excellent, juicy, properly seasoned, and cooked to order using premium ingredients that justify the higher price point. The execution is consistently good across their 450-plus U.S. locations, and everything feels carefully crafted rather than mass-produced. Shake Shack ranks at number 9, despite being a top contender in the burger world because, simple enough, they're not a chicken chain. While their Shack burger might compete for the best burger in America, their chicken offerings are limited to sandwiches and nuggets. They don't offer traditional fried chicken pieces, wings, or the variety that dedicated chicken chains provide. Shake Shack excels at what they do, but in the chicken game, they're playing with a limited playbook. It's excellent for what it is: a premium chicken sandwich. But the narrow chicken offerings and lack of traditional fried chicken options keep it from competing with full-service chicken specialists who've built their entire identity around perfecting every aspect of fried chicken. KFC's original recipe sits at number 8, representing both the legacy and limitations of the fried chicken pioneer. Founded in 1930 by Colonel Harlan Sanders in Kentucky, KFC built the fried chicken empire with that famous 11 herbs and spices recipe. With over 4,100 U.S. locations, KFC's original recipe chicken still delivers that distinctive flavor that made it legendary. But here's the reality: KFC isn't what it used to be. In the Colonel's era, chicken was hand-breaded and pressure-fried fresh throughout the day. Today's KFC relies heavily on heat lamps and holding times that can leave chicken sitting for hours. The original pressure frying technique that created KFC's signature texture has been modified for efficiency, often resulting in chicken that's less crispy and juicy than the original. The problem is that mass scale has impacted quality control across generations of ownership changes. Some locations still nail the crispy coating and juicy meat that made KFC famous, while others serve chicken that tastes like a shadow of its former self. Recent menu innovations feel hit or miss, and the sides often feel more like caloric filler than the quality accompaniments they once were. KFC's original recipe remains iconic and recognizable. That 11 herbs and spices blend is still there, but the execution and freshness standards have declined from the Colonel's original vision. It's still KFC, but it's not the KFC that built the fried chicken empire. Zaxby's Chicken Fingers claims number 7, and let's be honest, half of you have probably never heard of this chain. Founded in 1990 in Statesboro, Georgia, Zaxby's has grown to about 950 locations, but they're almost entirely concentrated in the Southeast and Midwest. If you don't live in Georgia, Alabama, or surrounding states, Zaxby's might as well not exist. But their hand-breaded chicken fingers are actually really good. The chicken is consistently tender and juicy, with a crispy coating that holds up well. Zaxby's sauce game is legitimately impressive. From mild Zax sauce to fiery nuclear, there's something for every heat preference, and these aren't just generic sauces with different labels. The crinkle fries and Texas toast sides are better than average and actually complement the chicken instead of just filling space on your plate. Recent menu updates have improved freshness and spice levels, making Zaxby's a solid choice for chicken tenders. The problem is that regional availability severely limits their impact. You can't be America's best chicken chain if most of America can't try you. Zaxby's proves that sometimes great food gets held back by geography. They're doing quality work that deserves national recognition, but you probably can't get it where you live. Dave's Hot Chicken's hot chicken tenders earn number 6 with Nashville-style heat that's taking the country by storm. Founded in 2017 in East Hollywood by friends who started with a parking lot pop-up, Dave's has exploded to 329 U.S. locations with rapid expansion planned. Their hot chicken tenders feature clear spice levels from no spice to Reaper, allowing customers to choose their heat adventure. The chicken is crispy, juicy, and properly spiced with heat levels that actually mean something. When they say hot, you're going to sweat, and Reaper will test your limits. The minimalist menu built around execution and spice creates focus that many chains lack. The visual appeal and social media buzz have made Dave's a cultural phenomenon. Dave's Hot Chicken is not just riding the Nashville hot chicken trend, they're perfecting it. The The chicken oil blend that creates their signature heat is applied after frying, which means the spice penetrates the meat without burning during cooking. This technique creates layers of flavor rather than just surface heat. The limitations are menu balance, no healthy sides or grilled options, and service can suffer in high-demand areas due to their explosive growth. The spiciness may also alienate customers who prefer milder flavors, but for heat seekers, Dave's delivers authentic Nashville-style chicken that rivals what you'd get in Music City itself. Slim Chicken's hand-breaded tenders secures the top 5 with Southern comfort food done right. Founded in 2003 in Fayetteville, Arkansas, Slim Chickens has grown to about 250 locations across the South and Midwest. Their focus on hand-breaded tenders and Southern sides creates a complete comfort food experience that goes beyond just chicken. The tenders really are hand-breaded throughout the day, not pre-breaded and frozen like many competitors. You can actually watch them bread chicken fresh in the kitchen, which creates a coating that's crispier and more flavorful than mass-produced alternatives. The seasoning blend in their breading has depth. It's not just salt and pepper, but a complex mix that enhances the chicken without overwhelming it. The sauce selection is impressive with over 17 different options, from classic honey mustard to unique flavors like cayenne ranch. But what really sets Slim Chickens apart is their Southern sides game. The mac and cheese is creamy and rich, the fried pickles are perfectly tangy, and the coleslaw tastes fresh instead of like it came from a bag. Clean locations and strong branding help elevate the dining experience beyond typical fast food. The chicken-to-breading ratio is perfect. Substantial chicken with just enough coating to add crunch without being excessive. Slim Chickens proves that doing comfort food right, fresh ingredients, proper technique, quality sides, can compete with bigger chains that rely on shortcuts and mass production. Bojangles Cajun Filet Biscuit claims number 4 with bold flavors that define Southeastern comfort food. Founded in 1977 in Charlotte, North Carolina, Bojangles got its name from the famous tap dancer Bill Bojangles Robinson. And like its namesake, this chain has some serious moves. With 830-plus locations across the Southeast, Bojangles has built a cult following that borders on obsession. Bojangles cracks the top 4 because their Cajun seasoned chicken delivers bold flavor without gimmicks. The seasoning blend isn't just sprinkled on top, it's mixed into the flour and penetrates the chicken during the marinating process, creating layers of flavor that go all the way through. Most locations cook chicken fresh, not from frozen, which makes a noticeable difference in texture and juiciness. The famous buttermilk biscuits are legendary for good reason. Made from scratch every 20 minutes throughout the day, creating that perfect, fluffy, buttery texture that's impossible to achieve with frozen dough. Potato rounds, their version of French fries, sets them apart from standard fries with a unique shape and seasoning that complements the chicken perfectly. Breakfast served all day is a major draw, but it's the quality execution that keeps people coming back. The Cajun Filet Biscuit combines all their strengths: perfectly seasoned chicken, fresh-made biscuits, and that distinctive flavor profile that you can't get anywhere else. Bojangles proves that regional chains can maintain quality and character while competing with national giants, earning their spot in the top 4 through consistent execution and bold flavors. Popeyes Spicy Chicken Sandwich earns number 3 with Louisiana flavors that redefined the chicken sandwich category. Founded in 1972 in New Orleans as Chicken on the Run, Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen has grown to 3,149 U.S. locations. Their spicy chicken sandwich sparked the Chicken Sandwich Wars in 2019 and proved that Popeyes could compete with anyone on pure flavor. When they get it right, nobody does Louisiana-style chicken better. The Cajun seasoned chicken has a spice blend that creates complexity rather than just heat. You taste garlic, paprika, cayenne, and other spices that work together instead of competing. The chicken is juicy and properly crispy, with a coating that has actual flavor, not just crunch. The brioche bun holds up to the substantial chicken breast without getting soggy. And those pickles add the perfect acidic contrast that cuts through the richness. Sides like red beans and rice aren't afterthoughts. They're authentic Louisiana dishes that complement the chicken perfectly. Popeye's biggest enemy is Popeyes. Quality can vary by franchise location, and service speed is often slower than competitors. But when Popeyes executes properly, the flavor-to-price ratio is excellent, and the Louisiana influence creates a unique taste profile in the chicken market. Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers, secure number 2 with simplicity executed to perfection. Founded in 1996 in Baton Rouge by Todd, Raising Cane's has grown to 879 U.S. locations by doing one thing exceptionally well: chicken fingers. Their limited menu focuses entirely on hand-battered, fresh-cooked chicken fingers served with crinkle fries, coleslaw, Texas toast, and their famous Cane's sauce. Those drive-through lines that wrap around buildings aren't just hype, they're proof that America has discovered what Louisiana knew all along. Social media has turned Cane's sauce into a cultural phenomenon, with people posting their Cane's runs and celebrities name-dropping the chain. The recent expansion into new markets creates genuine excitement, with grand openings drawing crowds like concert venues. The chicken is always hand-battered and fried fresh to order, creating consistently crispy coating and juicy meat. Cane's sauce has achieved cult status. It's tangy, creamy, and addictive enough that people buy it by the bottle. The simplicity isn't a limitation. It's a strength that ensures quality control. High customer satisfaction despite the narrow menu focus proves that doing a few things perfectly beats doing many things adequately. Raising Cane's recent surge in popularity is well-deserved. They've perfected their formula, and America is finally catching on to what makes them special. Taking the #1 spot is Chick-fil-A's original chicken sandwich, and honestly, this shouldn't surprise anyone who understands that perfection doesn't need to be complicated. Founded in 1946 by Truett Cathy in Hapeville, Georgia, Chick-fil-A has grown to over 3,000 U.S. locations, while maintaining family ownership and consistent quality. The original chicken sandwich features a hand-breaded chicken breast on a toasted buttered bun with pickles. Simple ingredients executed flawlessly. The chicken is always tender and juicy, with a perfectly seasoned, crispy coating that never feels greasy. The pressure cooking method creates texture that's impossible to replicate with standard frying. Fresh waffle fries are consistently excellent, and the breakfast menu is robust and high quality. The toasted buttered bun isn't just bread, it's the perfect vehicle that adds richness without competing with the chicken. Those 2 pickle chips provide exactly the right amount of acidity to cut through the richness and cleanse your palate between bites. It's mathematical precision disguised as simplicity. What really sets Chick-fil-A apart is consistency. You get the same high-quality experience, whether you're in Georgia or California. The customer service is genuinely superior. Locations are clean and well-managed, and ingredients are held to higher standards than most chains. The original chicken sandwich proves that when you perfect the basics, quality chicken, proper seasoning, flawless execution, you don't need gimmicks or complexity. Sometimes the best answer is the simplest one, executed better than anyone else can manage. There you have it. Chick-fil-A's original chicken sandwich takes the crown as America's best-tasting chicken chain offering. From the inconsistent execution at the bottom to the perfected simplicity at the top, this ranking shows that consistency and quality still matter more than gimmicks or marketing. The best chains prioritize fresh ingredients, proper cooking techniques, and reliable execution over flashy innovations. What do you think? Did your favorite chain get robbed? Or do you agree that Chick-fil-A deserves the top spot? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more food rankings that settle the debates you didn't know you needed settled.